All right, let's get into it. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on a really fascinating case study. It's all about a problem that was costing a company a fortune, kind of like a slow leak in a boat. We're going to break down exactly how they used a super powerful data-driven method to not just patch the leak, but to save over 1.75 million pesos a year. So let's dive in.
So picture this. You're trying to get your work done at this huge manufacturing company, and bam, your computer dies. You need IT, but getting help is just a total nightmare. This was the day-to-day reality there. The IT support system was completely swamped. We're talking constant complaints, which led to these crippling delays for thousands of employees. You could just feel the frustration in the air. The people in charge, they knew something was wrong, but they didn't know why. What was this invisible thing grinding everything to a halt? It was a real business mystery, and it was costing them big time, not just in money, but in lost productivity and just bad morale. They had to figure it out, and they had to do it fast.
Now, to solve this mystery, they didn't just start guessing. Nope, they brought out the big guns. A powerful toolkit called DMAIC. It's this structured 5-phase method from the world of Six Sigma. You define the problem, you measure it, you analyze the data to find the real root causes, then you improve the process, and, this is key, you control it to make sure things don't slide back. The whole point is, you don't guess, you use a roadmap. So first things first, in the define and measure phases, it was all about getting the facts straight. The team decided to ignore the rumors and the office chatter. They needed cold, hard numbers. You know, how bad is this problem really? It was time to let the data do the talking.
And wow, did that data have a story to tell. After digging through over 4,000 IT tickets from the last 6 months, they found their baseline. The average time, get this, the average time it took to fix one IT issue was nearly 12.5 hours. Just think about that for a second. That's more than a whole workday just to get a critical system back up and running. Ouch! And here's where it gets really interesting. The company's own goal for fixing a ticket was 5 hours. But as you can see, their actual time was more than double that. It's a huge gap between what they wanted and what was actually happening. So, the big takeaway from this measure phase, you absolutely cannot fix what you don't measure. And these numbers showed the problem was way bigger than anyone thought.
Okay, so the team knew what was happening, that crazy 12.5-hour wait time. Now they had to figure out why. This is the analyze phase. They mapped out the entire process, went down to the IT support floor, and just watched how things were really getting done. They were on the hunt for the root causes.
And they didn't just find one culprit, they found 4 main ones. First, people were reporting problems every which way. Phone, email, even writing it down in a logbook. It was total chaos, and tickets were getting lost. Second, they often didn't have the spare parts they needed. Third, wrong info meant the wrong repair team got sent out. And finally, engineers were closing all their tickets at the end of the day, which totally messed up the time data. The lesson here is pretty clear. Big problems almost never have just one cause.
Now that they knew who the bad guys were, the team moved into the improve phase. And the goal wasn't just to tell people to work faster. No way. The goal was to build a smarter system, one that got rid of those root causes for good.
And this right here shows one of the biggest fixes they made. They got rid of that chaotic, messy system and replaced it with one single way to report an IT problem, a standardized portal on the company intranet. Just like that, no more lost tickets, no more confusion. Every single request was now logged, tracked, and sent to the right person from one central place. It was a total game changer. But you know, making a change is one thing. Making it stick is a whole different ballgame. And that brings us to the final and maybe the most important phase, control. As the study points out, keeping your gains is often the hardest part. So how did they make sure the company didn't just slip back into its old bad habits? Well, the key to the control phase is knowing that improvement isn't just a one-time project. It's the new way you do things. They standardized all the new procedures, trained everybody, and set up a system to keep an eye on performance forever. And the payoff? Oh, it was huge. This wasn't some small adjustment. This project delivered some seriously dramatic results. And here's the proof right on this slide. After they rolled out all the fixes, that average resolution time dropped from almost 12.5 hours all the way down to under 8.5. They literally slashed the wait time by over 4 hours for every single ticket. That's a massive boost in efficiency that every single employee in the company could feel.
So, what does all that save time and efficiency add up to? This. The estimated annual savings from less downtime and more productivity was a staggering 1.75 million pesos. That's about 30,000 US dollars. Just by methodically fixing an internal process, they unlocked a huge financial win. What this whole story really shows is that sometimes our biggest, most expensive problems are hiding in plain sight right inside our everyday processes. And the answer isn't always about working harder. It's about having a smart method to find the truth in your data. So that kind of leaves us with a question for you. What hidden, costly mystery in your business is just waiting to be solved?